Hello, I was enjoy this VIP privilege for my birthday lunch buffet. Ayan po.
Mag-video na lang.
Yan yung pagkain namin. Ay, may fish talaga yung sequence. Wala na, ubos na yan. Ayan, sushi, ubos na. Sesame.
Hindi, ano lang. Tamang-tama
Ha?
lang. Ikaw naman.
Ate, papi.